been a lot of name calling against our office today, much of it coming from one of you. Well, there's somebody I'd like you to meet, somebody else who has been to prison. I'm Prison Mike, but I am here to scare you straight. I am here to scare you straight! Declare bankruptcy!
Do I need to be liked? Absolutely not. I like to be liked. I enjoy being liked. I have to be liked. But it's not like this compulsive need to be liked. Like my need to be praised, 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 praised.
If I had a gun with 2 bullets and I was in a room with Hitler, Bin Laden, and Toby, I would shoot Toby twice. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's happening!
Michael, I can't believe you came.
That's what she said! All right, everybody. Stay go! Okay. That's what she said.